so I got another Japanese candy. Scissors. So my auntie's gonna open it. So yeah, I just checked the mail right now.
Okay.
We need scissors.
Yeah.
Hold on, man. Scissors.
He's like, forget it. No, I can open this stuff without scissors, right? Yeah.
Is this the same thing? No. Okay. Ooh! They gave us extra. Something. We don't know. We'll give it to my grandma. Then, candy. Here's the other purchase. The grape flavored candy tree and the soda flavored candy tree. Which one do you want to do?
Is this the lemon one?
No, yeah, the lemon soda one.
This one.
Okay, so I'm going to be doing this one and my auntie's going to do this one first. Now, she's going to go first since I went first yesterday.
I want to save mine.
So, yeah, we'll make tutorials soon. So, yeah, bye guys.